Hi, I'm Jeremy Pollack. I'm a social organizational psychologist with a specialty in peace and conflict psychology. A baseline conflict really results from the perception that one's needs, goals, values are impeded or threatened. So if one feels like their fundamental needs or their goals or their values are being impeded or threatened, they are by definition in a baseline conflict. And when slowing down your speech, you want to slow it down enough so you can really enunciate your words. You can hear yourself articulating your words very clearly. The more you start to feel someone else's agitation, and if you start to feel defensive, probably you're going to have to balance that out internally by taking your own speech a little bit slower and a little bit down in tone and volume. Someone's bringing you an issue, and what you first want to do is just repeat back the issue that they brought to you. So you're just helping them feel heard here, and you're making sure that you actually heard what they said correctly or accurately. So you might say, okay, I understand. So you want a refund on that fee because it's something you didn't expect. Does that sound right? Here's how it might sound. Oh no, so you've been dealing with a loud neighbor all night. Ugh, that's so frustrating. I'm sorry you've had to deal with that. I'm gonna handle this personally. I'm gonna make sure we bring in that tenant and have a conversation with him. And trust me, I'm on this. Unfortunately, sometimes there's only so much we can do. So if it doesn't get better after we speak with them, I'd encourage you to maybe call the police department and file a noise complaint the next time this happens.
I didn't say concern.
What
I
am
don't
I?
use that word.
That is.
So right off the bat, if we're choosing to de-escalate, what we don't want to do is necessarily argue our point right away and tell them why they're wrong and we're right. So she's starting to argue. That's not a great strategy if they want to de-escalate. This is again called pre-escalation strategizing. Super important because if we can stop escalated situations before they happen, then we don't have to necessarily de-escalate. Then we don't have to experience someone's spontaneous aggression or their escalated state.